AXON stock analysis and AXON stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Axon Enterprise stock, it's 8.8% down. I see 2 crazy bearish candles. It's tough. We have an upcoming earning report. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of quick predictions up on my YouTube channel. And now specifically looking at AXLN, I'm doing what? Yeah, I'm looking to just double down on this bullish market. I mean, I know recently it's been tough, but higher time frame does not lie. I'll more so just stick to my strategy that I've tested for 36,000 videos, refined over time with a positive feedback loop. I think we're just filling in a little gap. All I care about is that my rules are met, and only if they're met, only then I'll buy. Simple. So, public a little confirmation. All I'm doing in the meantime is waiting. My bad. And if you want to make more money trading in a very simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.